Before you buy any kitchen knife set, there's one thing every product page hides and real buyers keep complaining about. Most sets look sharp out of the box, but within weeks, blades dull, handles loosen, or rust shows up where it shouldn't. Today, we're cutting through the hype to show you which ones actually hold up. Product number 1, Astercook 13-piece budget set. Let's start with the Astercook 13-piece set. This is the one you've probably seen everywhere for under $30. It comes with a chef knife, santoku bread knife, paring knife, shears, and even blade guards. Right away, the anti-rust coating and dishwasher safe claims stand out, especially at this price. If you want a complete starter set without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The included blade guards make it super safe for tight drawers or if you're storing knives in an RV or small apartment. The carbon steel blades are surprisingly sharp right out of the package, and the non-stick coating helps food slide off easily, great for slicing tomatoes or onions without crushing them. Over 40,000 people bought this in the last month, so clearly, it's hitting a need for affordable, no-fuss kitchen tools. Now some people complained about the plastic handles feeling flimsy after a few months, and honestly, I get that. They're not the most premium feel, and if you're used to weighted, balanced knives, these might feel a bit light. But here's the thing, for casual cooks or college students, that's not a deal breaker. You're not doing heavy butchering, you're chopping veggies and making sandwiches. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget, moving into your first apartment, or need a backup set for camping. Skip this one if you cook daily and want something that feels solid in your hand. At $25, it's hard to beat for the basics. Product number 2, McCook German Steel with Sharpener. Now, if Astercook's flimsy handles bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The McCook German stainless steel set steps up with a built-in sharpener in the block, something you don't see often. Priced around $75, it includes 15 pieces, chef, santoku bread knife, steak knives, shears, and more. The forged German steel gives it a solid, professional feel right away. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That built-in sharpener isn't just a gimmick, it actually works. Every time you pull a knife out or slide it back in, it hones the edge slightly. That means your knives stay razor sharp with zero extra effort. No more guessing when to use a steel rod or worrying about dull blades mid-recipe. Plus, the taper grind edge technology gives precise cuts, whether you're dicing onions or slicing roast chicken. Now some people complain the block takes up more counter space than expected, and yeah, it's not tiny. At over 14 inches long, you'll need a decent stretch of counter. But here's the thing, if you cook regularly, that space is worth it for the convenience of always sharp knives. The rubberwood block is sturdy and wipes clean easily, so it's not high maintenance. This is perfect for you if you want restaurant-grade performance without the pro price tag. Skip this one if you have very limited counter space or prefer drawer storage. At $75, it's a smart mid-range investment. Product number 3, HENCKLS Statement 15-piece set. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious home cooks, the HENCKLS Statement set. This German-engineered set runs about $193, but it's built like a tank. You get 15 pieces, including a honing steel, shears, and 6 steak knives, all in a sleek hardwood block. Here's why this matters for you specifically. HENCKLS has been making knives for over 100 years, and it shows. The blades are precision stamped from single-piece stainless steel, so there are no weak points or seams that can trap bacteria. They start razor sharp and stay that way longer than most, even with minimal care. The lightweight design reduces hand fatigue during long prep sessions, perfect if you're making big family meals or meal prepping. Now some people complained it's pricey, and yeah, it is. But here's the thing, this isn't just a knife set, it's a long-term kitchen tool. If you've ever had to replace cheap knives every year, this pays for itself over time. Also, while it's dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to preserve the edge longer. This is perfect for you if you cook often, value durability, and want knives that feel professional. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only cook occasionally. At $193, it's a splurge, but one that lasts. Product number 4, CAROT 14-piece forged set. Now, if HENCKELS feels too expensive, this next one offers serious value. The CAROTE 14-piece set costs about $64 and looks way pricier than it is. It comes in a cream-colored block with non-slip feet, and the forged high-carbon stainless steel blades feel solid and balanced. The precision-forged blades resist rust and stains, and the included sharpening steel means you can maintain the edge yourself. It includes all the essentials: chef bread, santoku paring, utility steak knives, and shears. Now, some people complain the cream color shows stains easily, and honestly, that's fair. If you're messy in the kitchen or have kids, it might not stay pristine. But here's the thing, wipe it down weekly and it looks brand new. The performance more than makes up for the upkeep. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, functional set without spending over $100. Skip this one if you prefer darker finishes or hate cleaning. At $64, it's a steal for the build quality. Product number 5, Amazon Basics 14-piece set. Finally, we have the Amazon Basics set, yes, the same brand that makes your phone charger. At just $37, it's one of the most affordable complete sets out there. It includes a chef knife, bread knife, paring knife, steak knives, shears, and even a sharpener, all in a pinewood block. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The high-carbon stainless steel blades hold an edge well, and the full tang triple-riveted handles offer surprising balance for the price. The traditional design feels familiar and comfortable, and the included sharpener means you're not stuck with dull knives. Over 6,000 people bought this recently, proving it's a reliable budget pick. Now, some people complained it's not dishwasher safe, and that's true. You have to hand wash these, which might annoy some. But here's the thing, hand washing actually extends the life of any good knife. It's a small trade-off for lasting sharpness. This is perfect for you if you want a no-nonsense, reliable set from a trusted name at a low price. Skip this one if you absolutely need dishwasher convenience. At $37, it's hard to go wrong. So which one should you get? If you're on a tight budget, go with Astercook or Amazon Basics. Want built-in sharpening? McCook is your best bet. For serious cooking, HENCKELS is worth the splurge. And if you want style and strength under $70, CAROTE delivers. Every set has trade-offs, but now you know exactly what they are.